How to remove payment card from Amazon. First is by opening your Amazon app and then go ahead on your profile right here, which is the second option below. And then go to your account, wait for it to load, and scroll down until you can see the payment section. So under payment section, you may click on your payments right here, wait for it to load, and then you may be able to see all of your cards and accounts right here. And then, since I don't have any cards right now, I have a sample photo right here. So you may see a list of your cards right here. So what you are going to do is to simply click on the card that you want to remove, and then a page will appear which will say you may remove your card on the bottommost part. So again, once you click on your card, you may be able to see an option on the bottom which says remove card or delete card. So you just simply click on that one, simply follow the steps needed, and then there you go. That's how you can remove payment card from Amazon.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.